Hello beauties. Today I'm going to be doing a tour of my room. I've been working on making my room as perfectly me as I can get it for about 2 or 3 years now. And I feel like it's finally at a point where I love it, and I love just being in here, and it's my perfect environment. So if you want to see a bigger glimpse into my life, just keep watching. I hope that you enjoyed this. It was pretty fun to make, and yeah, I hope it shows you a little bit more about me. Thank you thank you so much for watching. I hope to have another video up soon, and have a beautiful day, beautiful morning, a beautiful evening. Have a beautiful life. See ya.